String was a immutable, right? So this is now tuple is also immutable in nature. Immutable means it cannot be changed, right? Immutable. And this one, any data can be homogeneous, or heterogeneous, right? Separated by the comma operator, enclosed within the parenthesis is called as tuple. Okay, it's called as what? Tuple, right? And this is a immutable, and this supports indexing. This one also supports indexing. Yeah, for the everything you can do it in the theory part. You have it in the Instagram, right? Tuple does supports indexing. For like from left to right, it starts from 0 to length, right? From right to left, what will happen? From -1 to minus length -1, this one, and this one is minus length, right? Minus length. Okay, okay, guys. Since it is a immutable, you cannot add an element, you cannot remove the element. Remove the element, no adding the element, no removing the element, no modification also. If it is so, look on here, guys. This is not there. Append, insert, extend is not there. Remove, pop, clear is also not there. Sort and reverse is also not there. Remaining what? Count and index. That's it. Only two functionalities here. Only first one is like count, which is already done it. Second one is what? Index. Second one is what? Index. Count will where tuple will support everything. Inside this, everything it will support. Heterogeneous means everything. Copy is not there. In here, copy is also not there. For example, look on here. I just have like this. A is equals to anything encoded with a tuple like this. You get a like type of A. Type of A is nothing but tuple, or else A is equals to, you can tell it has tuple tuple. You can tell it like this. Also, you can tell it A. You can tell it tuple it is. And if I want to check the functionality of tuple A of A, I will tell it. Look on here, guys. Only count and index is there, and remaining everything is what? Magic functionalities. ठीक है, only count and index, ठीक है, and remaining everything is what? Magic functionalities. And count and index, what will do it? Count and index, same thing you will do it. For example, A is equals to, I'll just last 1 comma 1 2 comma 1 comma 3 comma 4, and I'll just comma 4.0 comma 5.5 comma, I can tell as mib comma, I can tell as list comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma, I'll tell it. And then later on I can tell it as tuple. In the tuple also I can do it 3 comma 4 comma 5, I can tell it, and I'll close this. And this is what the A is. And this supports also indexing, and same thing, indexing also left to right and right to left. Right? What all things you have it? A dot count, you have it. Count, what do you want to count it? You want to count 4. How many 4s are there? There are only, how many 4s? 2 4s are there, guys. Why 2 4s? Look on here, 4 and 4.0 is same thing. That's the reason I have told you. 4.1 is different. Here 4 and 4.0 is what? Same thing. Have a note on this. In any of the data, 4 and 4.0 is same thing. Okay? ठीक है. I'm intentionally it came onto the picture. Just have a note onto it. Here also count doesn't have a boundary, same as tuple itself. If I tell like count, only you have the values, same as like that. And coming on to your index, a dot index of 4. If I tell it what is the index of 4, it will give this one 0 1 2 3 4. It will give it. I know. So if I want to get it one more index, what I'll do it now? Index of 4. I wanted it. I'll just like start index. What I'll do it? A dot index of 4, or also I can tell as 4.0 also can tell it, or else 4 I'll tell it, plus 1 I will tell it, and I'll get it as what? 5. The next 4 where it is, I'll get it now. Same thing, index in this one. This one you are seeing from the string. That's what tuple is. That's it. That's it. Tuple is also done. Okay? One thing you have to remember is it is a heterogeneous, it's a collection of a homogeneous and heterogeneous, same like a list itself, same Xerox copy of a list. Nothing changes. But only one thing is there, that is nothing but what? Immutable in nature. Immutable means you cannot change it. Once it is fixed, you cannot change it. It's like something like this, guys. If you cannot change a girl, change a girl. You know? If you cannot change an object, change an object. Like that is. You know, you can only change the object here. You cannot force to change it here. If you want to change A, that means object is changed. For example, if I like ID of A, ID of A. This is what the thing is. What am I gonna do it now? I'm gonna do it. I'll make some modification. 9. I will tell it. I'll tell us like ID of here. I will tell her. I hope it will change it. Yeah, it is changing it. Look on it. The object, entire object is changed. है ना? The object itself will change. That's what it is. This is a different object and this is a different object. Trust me, honest on this. ठीक है? Immutable is much needed, and there is a reason this has been created. And I'll be telling you in near future what all the things is. Immutable is much needed when you communicate with a function to function, when you don't want to change the data, you want to fix it within you. At the time, everything you will go for this, right? It's like a protector, right? That's it. That's it, guys. That's it. I'll be, like ending up the class now itself, and we'll see you on Monday. Till then, you watch the copy as well as set video and come. I'll send you both the videos, copy as well as the set.